Bhuvan 3D, which is like this I got to know about like a mapping system of India, which
Mhm.
actually works better than Google Maps.
Oh,
Yeah.
how's
So
that?
I'll show you that thing. So this whole thing is actually mapping system of our own, like of India. We have Google 3D, right? Or Google Earth. Yeah. So this is kind of a
Google.
replica of Google Earth, but I'll not say replica because we are using our own satellites for these.
Mm-hmm.
So it majorly focuses on India. You can look other countries, but the data which you will see will be like from India majorly.
Mm-hmm.
And it has various tools like you can draw, you can measure distance, you can measure area, right? So if I talk about like how much is from Faridabad to Delhi, then it tells about 64.855 kilometer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Quite interesting. And what kind of data does it provide? Like apart
so it
from distance and
so distance is there, terrain profiles are there.
mm-hmm.
Okay, you can draw something on a map and then you can share. You can take a screenshot, which is like snapshot over here.
Mm-hmm.
You can record. I was very intrigued when I got to know about this Bhuvan 3D because uh, we generally use Google's product, right? But ISRO has created this, which
Wow.
is like
Cool.
very good in terms of implementation, and also you get to know very accurate data
Mm-hmm.
because it's coming from like Indian satellite, and I guess 13 or 16 satellites are focusing on this particular map, like India's map. Thinking about this, how we can use Bhuvan in our apps, which could be like Indian app, instead of Google Maps or Google 3D. Like Ola can use their service, or Indian companies like Swiggy, instead of Google Maps, they can use these services,
Right,
which
right, right.
also because anyhow these are made by Indian scientists or Indian people, right? So they using these type of services will also motivate those guys, like, okay, because people are using it, then we should improve this, or we should improve the UI, we should improve the APIs.
Mm-hmm.
So
Actually, it's quite interesting when you talk about all that, right? Because seeing these kind of things get used in defense and ministry websites or any of the government websites that we have, and the kind of
mhm,
data that they pull in, and if instead we were using any of the Google websites or any of the things, the data they track a lot of data, right? And these might
right,
also help in that, right? But
exactly,
it's quite interesting, yeah.